Yoga is the science of quieting the mind, and there's many different styles of yoga, and one of them is vinyasa, where we incorporate the breath with every movement. We move through the postures with the use of the breath. Gardeners need to be able to be healthy and breathe well, and hard to garden if you can't squat, hard to garden if you can't breathe. So my main purpose is really to get the students to use their breath, to learn how to use their breath. And this doesn't necessarily come that easy. To get your breath to be really deep, to be able to control your breath, to have that rhythm going for yourself, to kind of keep it going even when I'm not saying it, and then to move through the postures with the use of the breath and keeping the breath nice and deep and long. I think that many of us don't really appreciate how important the breath is. What I think that the advantages of the technique are is that you're really using your breath deeply throughout the full practice. The breath really helps the body move and supports the movement of the body. And it also gives you an indication of really kind of how you're doing. I mean, if the breath starts to change a little bit, you'll get some indication that things aren't working quite right, as you probably have experienced in any kind of movement. But doing this really deep breathing at the same time as you do the movement, in many ways I actually do call it magic. I mean, sometimes when I come and take like a little gentle class and do something like this, it just feels so good and everybody goes away happy.
Garden yoga was designed by a long-term yoga teacher and physical therapist to help prevent injuries and soreness from gardening. For more information about class schedules and registration, contact Green Spring Garden.